Khroma is an AI-powered color tool that helps designers, coders, and creatives discover and save appealing color combinations. By learning from users' color preferences, it generates personalized palettes that stick to color theory principles. The tool offers features like detailed colored information, search and filter options, as well as accessibility ratings. Now, apparently this platform can be used to save time, overcome the lack of color theory knowledge, and customize palettes to any individual's specific tastes. And it also ensures that their designs are visually appealing and accessible. So we're going to dive right into this here. My name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So first of all, we're being prompted to choose 50 colors. I'm going to go ahead and just choose 50 colors that I think are pretty cool, or just any at random. Okay, got 48 left. That's pretty cool. This is an interesting user experience so far. I wonder what it's gonna create from these colors that I select. Pick that one, that one. Let's go with this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, it's telling me here, picking more violet, cyan, and magenta will improve results. Okay, cool. Let's go with some more of those. Okay, so it's taking some time to train the generator, but let's see if this is worth it in the end. Okay, cool. So now this is finally done. It took a little while, I'd say about 5 minutes or so, but let's see what we've got here. Khroma is essentially an infinite scroll of color combinations. Above you can pick different templates to view your pairings. Okay, cool. Let's check it out. You can use the search to generate specific colors, hues, tones, tints, or combinations. Okay. Bias controls the percentage to which the generated colors are limited to ones you like. High bias is more accurate, low is more diverse. Okay, interesting stuff. And if you don't like your results, you can edit your picks and retrain your generator. Cool, got it. Okay, cool. Sweet, so let's take a look at these. Oh, I quite like this. This one's pretty cool. Let's go with, that's a bit tough to read, that aquamarine. Let's go with, I want something that's kind of implies trustworthiness. You say blue's a very trustworthy color, so let's go with this. Okay, sweet. So we've got the two main colors here, and looks like we can swap the colors quite easily. Cool. I can favorite certain ones. Sweet. Okay, that one's cool. Let's go with this one as well. That one too. Go with, got peach. Okay, cool. So yeah, this seems like a cool way to just get a color palette if you're looking for one. As you can see, there are also different ways you can view the palettes. For example, you can go into this poster section that will show you what it looks like. This shows you what it would look like if you were using these colors for posters. There's also the gradient section, which shows you a cool gradient of both colors. There's the image section, which shows you a couple images. Interestingly, they've chosen a pineapple. There's also the opportunity to look at the entire palette so you can see what sort of colors would make sense with the overall aesthetic you're going for. Cool. So yeah, this has been my quick walkthrough of Khroma. It looks quite interesting. I wonder how they're going to develop. It looks like they're going to be releasing a version 1 soon. And you can also just sign up to be on the waiting list, which is pretty cool. So here there's a search bar where we can, I guess, look through all of these and find something that we're looking for. So let's go with tips and see. Search tips. Okay, cool. Type, hue, name, hex, RGB. Okay, cool. So those are the 4 ways you have to search. You can either search for hues or types. Okay, cool. So let's go with neon blue. Neon blue. Okay, you can see here it's generating. Okay, cool. And then we can just search for a bunch of different kind of neon blue color palettes. Sweet. Yeah, I think this is going to be very useful to people who are designers. Definitely going to help them out a lot in terms of like figuring out what color palettes they should use. And yeah, let me know if you find this valuable. If you're really looking to get ahead with AI, make sure you join my school community where I post the latest discoveries that I come across in the space. Thanks for watching and take care.